Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the EA application on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official EA website. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you will see the EA app button. Click on this button and then you can choose your platform to download the application. Once the installer has been downloaded, go ahead and open it up. And you can click through the next buttons to install the EA application. Once the application is installed, you can go ahead and open it up by double-clicking on it. And now you can simply proceed forward by using your email address and your password or social media accounts to sign into your existing account. Or you can also sign up if you don't have an account already. After logging in or signing up, you will be able to use the EA application on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the EA app on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.